For today's Christmas craft, we're bringing a favorite carol to life. I made a hippopotamus for Christmas. I'll show you how. Let's get started. If this is your first time joining us, I'm Andy, and at True Blue Quilts, we like to enjoy, experiment, and excel as we quilt. I've been working on this quilt with safari animals for a while, but as soon as I made that hippopotamus, I thought how cute it would be in Christmas fabrics. I followed Elizabeth Hartman's pattern, Spectacular Savanna, to cut the pieces for this hippopotamus block. Once all the pieces are cut and labeled, it's time to sew. For an envelope pillow backing, you need two pieces that are identical in size. I hem the top edge, and then you overlap them about 2 inches. Layer the quilt block face down with the overlapping backing pieces face up. Pin the layers together and sew 1/4 inch all the way around the edge. Once you have sewn all the way around the edge, we're ready to turn it inside out using the overlapping pillow flap. So we will do that and gently poke out the corners. If you want to get some chopsticks or a knitting needle, you can do that. But there we have our hippopotamus pillow cover, and same process to stuff the pillow form in there. Just bunch that all up. Remember, we kept the pillow just a little bit smaller than the dimensions of the pillow, and that way it is nice and bulky. And you can see I probably could have used a little bit more overlap than I did, but I can attach a couple buttons to that. As a final special touch, I printed a label that includes a QR code to take you straight to the video of the song that inspired this project. Happy holidays from all of us here at True Blue Quilts. Looking for more holiday fabric crafts? Try stitching a greeting card. You can find all those directions in this playlist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.